Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the middle button, this one, the menu button basically. So press and hold it to open the menu. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through it by swiping on the screen, find the option called Watch Settings and tap on it. Now scroll down and find the System option, and once you find it, tap on it, and here scroll down and find the option called the Time. And once you find it, select it. Now scroll down, find the option called Set Time, and by default it will be auto, and we need to change it to manual. So tap on the Set Time, select manual, and once it's manual you can scroll down, tap on Time, and here we have option to, or rather we can adjust the time. So you can swipe up and down on the hours, and then you can tap on minutes, set the minutes, and then you can tap on AM or PM and adjust it. And once you're done, you can press the start button to confirm. As you can see, the time changed. You can also change the time format by tapping right here and selecting the format you like. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face, like this. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.